Hey, sweet friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, guys, we're going to look at this game called That's Just Nonsense. And we're going to use our ears to hear different things being said. All right, so why are we doing this? To develop the student's ability to attend to differences between what they expect to hear and what they actually hear. So this is going to be fun. I am going to say a phrase from a known nursery rhyme. Then I'm going to say it wrong. Nonsense, I know. Can you listen close for the word or words that do not belong? All right, let's try it. All right, ready? Okay, we know that one. Let's listen to the other one. What? That's crazy. Did you hear the crazy word in there? The rat jumped over the moon. That's not right. That is just silly. All right, let's try another one. Okay, we do that one. Let's try this one. See if you can listen for the crazy word. Does the sheep have a pool? No, he has wool. That's just crazy. Do you hear the difference? Words have different sounds. All right, let's try this one. Ready? Try one more. Yep. All right, easy enough. Ready? What? Did Humpty Dumpty sit on a wall or a ball? A wall. That one's crazy. All right, guys. Good job listening. Thank you for helping Miss Hendry. I needed help hearing which one was right.